of education and is gaining a rapid popularity as an effective learning tool. Students, moreover, people can enroll and pursue a course online and can access vast study material available on the internet. The bottom line is that the internet has become a very important part of everyone to day life. Clear, students? So internet is very necessary nowadays. Now we will know some more about internet. Okay? Next topic will be requirements for internet connection. Requirement for internet connection. Students, to connect to the internet, you have to need some tools. First, a computing device. First, a computing device. Computing device can be a computer, tablet, mobile phone. These are the computing device. Second, modem. You need a modem. And third, data transfer medium. Okay. These are the basic tools that are required to connect internet with your computing device. Okay. And what is a computing device? Students, the first and the foremost thing that you need to connect to the internet is a computer or a handheld device such as desktop, laptop, tablet or smartphone. Okay. Second is modem. Students, modem is a device that act as a link between the computer and internet. It allows the computer to connect and communicate with other computer over the internet. Students, modem stand for modulator and demodulator. Modem stand for modulator and demodulator. These full forms are very important for your PA4 examination. Okay, so you have to learn these all the full forms. Internet is stand for interconnected network and modem is stand for modulator and demodulator. Okay, you can say modulator and demodulator is the full form of modem. Students, there are two type of modem. First is internal modem and second is external modem. Okay, there are two type of modem. First is internal modem and second is external modem. And internal modem is fit inside the computer. On the other hand, an external modem is a separate machine that could be wired or wireless. When the speed of a modem is measured in unit that is called bits per second. It means you can say you can measure the speed of a modem in bps, bits per second. This is also important for your PA4, bps, bits per second. Okay, bits per second. Clear everyone? Now the next is data transfer media. Okay, data transfer media. You can transfer the data from one computer to another over the internet through a medium known as data transfer media, which can be a telephone line, wired or wireless. Okay. Next is communication software. Okay. Next is communication software. Students, communication software refers to a web browser. In order to use the internet, it is essential to have a web browser. Without a web browser, you cannot access the information available over the internet. Some popular web browsers are Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Apple Safari, Mozilla Firefox, and so on. Okay, communication software are Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini, Apple Safari, Google Chrome. These all are the browsing software. Okay, and the next one is Internet Service Provider. Internet Service Provider. Internet Service Provider. That short form is ISP. Okay. Internet Service Provider. That short form is ISP. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. If you have a computer modem, communication software and data transfer media, but you don't have an ISP subscription, then you cannot have access to internet. It is the most essential thing that is required to build an internet connection. An internet service provider, that is ISP, is an organization that allow you to access internet for personal and commercial requirements in exchange of a certain fees. Some internet service provider are Airtel, Reliance, Vodafone. These are the internet service provider. BSNL and MTNL. These both are also an ISP, internet service provider. MTNL and BSNL. BSNL is stand for Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. And MTNL is stand for Mahanagar Telephone Limited. Okay, and the next topic is common types of internet connection. There are many common types of internet connection such as dial-up, broadband. These all are the types of internet connection. Okay, so students, this topic I will explain. Wait, let me erase this, then after I will explain this topic. Okay students, next topic is dial-up. Students, this type of connection establishes a link between a computer and an ISP through a telephone line. To connect to the internet, you need to dial the number of the ISP server. The speed of a dial-up connection is quite slow, making it the least popular connection. When you are using the internet through a dial-up connection, the phone line is held up. That means you can neither make nor receive regular phone calls through it. But broadband students, the term broadband refer to the connection that uses a broad band-wide amount of data, that is communication data transfer medium, can carry in a given amount of time. Therefore, broadband is a communication media that is capable of carrying a large amount of data per unit time. Students, broadband is known for its high-speed internet. It is much faster than a dial-up connection. Students, broadband is much faster than dial-up connection. It is very important to learn about the various mediums that are used to transmit data in a broadband connection. Data is transmitted through the following medias such as cables. Okay, students, in this connection, in cable connection is provided by the cable provider through the cable TV lines. It provides high speed internet access. And second is digital subscriber line. Digital subscriber line. Okay, that's all from me. DSL. And the third is satellite. And fourth is wireless. Okay. Students, digital subscriber line. In this type of connection, the existing telephone line is used to provide the internet connection. It allows you to make or receive telephone calls even when you are connected to the internet. And satellite, that is the third. Satellite, this mode is generally used in those areas where other type of broadband are not available. In this type of connection, a satellite dish is installed on the top of a building or order to establish an internet connection. This type of connection is slower than that the cable and DSL broadband. And next is wireless. Students, it is the most convenient type of connection. It lets you connect to the internet wirelessly. One of the most popular wireless connection is Wi-Fi. In a Wi-Fi network, data signals are transmitted wirelessly and it uses radio waves frequency instead of cable to establish the internet connection. Students, it offers a very high speed internet access. Okay students, now in my next video I will explain next topic. Till then students, goodbye. Thank you for watching.